Hey everyone, Aslan here. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about what's happening in the market. What is really going on? Everyone's like, okay, market is going up for 1 hour and then it goes down for next hour. So market has been doing this a lot. We've been having each small move getting sold out. What it means exit liquidity, which most people don't understand. I will explain that in video, what all this means, what's happening with the market. Many of you don't get it. There is so much more than what you just see on the chart that goes behind it. Sentiments are so shattered right now. I was speaking to exchanger who does money exchange where you can't get the dollars easily, USDT. The guy was saying the demand is very lower than what it used to be like last month or a few months ago, because people are just tired of buying dips and they just sentiments are very low right now. This is what I've been waiting for a while. If you've been watching my last 3 videos, do subscribe if you haven't. And there's a giveaway going on Twitter. The links are in the description. Get in there. I'm doing weekly giveaways now. You just have to go there, follow these simple steps. It takes a minute to do it, and there's a whitelist going on about a project as well. All you have to do is watch all the videos because they are related to each other. Because if I'm saying something there, it will include something related to that in my next video. So you have to watch the videos when it comes to the updates. Okay, and the updates are given on Discord. The link is that in description as well. Almost every day there's updates given before the video is even made. Video is not made every day. It depends if there's really some activity happening. Today we have market open, then there's a stock market that start crashing. Surprisingly, crypto is still holding much better than what stocks are doing. Stocks are doing bad, because I've said that in my last 3-4 update videos that if we lose this area, give me a second, let me just set up my drawing tool with my pen, so I can write there. It'll get much easier to set it up that way. Just bear with me a second. Okay, so what I was saying is that if the market loses this high, this low, it would get very bad overall for market, because right now we have one leg up, one leg down. When market tried to go up twice, double bottom, rejected, and then we have another lower low. There's a very clear directions coming that we could see a lower low, which means the trend is going to change into bears if this breaks and holds. And this is bad. We haven't seen that happening in stock market last 2 years. We haven't seen any similar patterns. We have seen one of these that happens, fakes out, and then starts going up with a higher low, giving very clear high low, and then start going up. Right now there's too much fear. There's a Fed fear, there's a war fear. There's the price I thought is already in, it got in, right? This was indication. I said okay, we could move from here to here, and then slowly we consolidate and go up, because I personally thought the fear of the Fed and the Fed increasing interest rates, everything is priced in, but I was wrong. Like, things are getting worse and worse. Stocks are dropping so much. They are going back to few years back prices. People don't understand. This is the money they printed in. This is crazy. Everyone is afraid what's going to happen, and people are not looking to spend much. Prices are increasing. People are just not sure what to do. The money that people have right now, expenses, the spending rate is very high, but still there is too much fear in the market. And people trying to book their profits, and the individual stocks are dropping so much. Meta, if you check Meta, Facebook stock, it's been dropping crazy. The reason I'm talking about stock, because this is what's affecting this market as well at the same time. Where's Meta? Right here, Facebook. Look at this. It had a huge drop, a 230 billion drop, then it keep dropping. I remember I was saying, like, if a matter comes here, it's a good buy and all that. Look at this, what's happening with this. It's keep dropping. People are buying, keep dropping. I think this was March drop, and this is where the May is. People were crying to get these prices. They were shouting to get back those early prices, and they were not getting it. Markets are just dropping again. This valuation was, everything was overvalued in stock. I've been saying it that every market is in bubble on my Facebook, that it will drop, and my Twitter. So it will not drop. When to drop, I don't know. But everything was in bubble. Alts that had no value, they were moving up crazy. 100 billions of 80 billions, 50 billions of valuation with project that like Ada had nothing on it. It was just hype and 80 billion valuation. So it's things like that. Tesla is still very high price. The Tesla market cap alone is more than all other automobile market cap. So it was huge. I know Tesla is a huge company, but their market cap was so much. And if it comes down to these areas somehow, this would be good buy, amazing buy for long term, because we know it's electric cars in future. Because what's happening with Russia, the oil prices are going up, gas prices, because Russia controls a lot of supply that gives through the world, and this is what's causing everything to go down, and the gold and gas and oil to move up. Let's get back to Bitcoin. So you get the picture what's really happening, and the fear is driving from one market to another market. Bitcoin wants to go up. It's just struggling right now. I made video yesterday. I said if we close below this area, it'll have more fear. And this is what happened. Market tried to go up, retest, and then get rejected again heavily. Every move that goes up is being used as a liquidity, sell liquidity. When the prices were here, from here I said if we'll break this low, that's game over. In my opinion, bulls will be very weak. They will lose confidence, because it's happened twice that we had the trendline breaks right here, market failed. Trendline break, almost failed, not yet proven. So we'll see what happens with that. Let's zoom in and see further information in the chart. What's happening? Look, we have very strong volume today. Market goes up, but it gets sold out again from this supply zone right here. It's just the market is not ready yet to move. Each move that, because there was no move up, and those who average that in and then they see this, they want to get out. They see the market is just so bad to get in. That's why I've been avoiding it, because a lot of unnecessary losses are not worth it. You can easily wait for this lower high, because market is in downtrend right now. 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day and weekly, all the charts are in downtrend except monthly long term is bullish. So we have first distribution right up here, then we have lower lows, and then market tried to go up, but each time it was creating a new lower highs, and then finally breaks it, and then it tried to go up, now failed, and then goes down, takes more liquidity, and this is a daily demand zone by week 1, and then try to goes up, supply here, and the stock market is dropping. So smart money is seeing that, saying okay, this we can use for exit liquidity. The reason this I call an exit liquidity, because this is a strength. Smart money will never sell to the weakness, because what happens when the market is already dropping, not much buying happening, very small sell orders. So what smart money does is they wait for something strong moves for it to sell, because if they sell to these candles, the candle will go down like that. They cannot do that, they will lose a lot of money. So they wait for strong candles. They sometimes purposely do that, because there's a short squeeze as well, which will those who are highly leveraged, they get liquidated, and smart money will get those their order filled, they sell to it, and then if it goes down, I think if we break this low, bulls lose more confidence and they will avoid taking entries. And all I'm waiting for, not this type of price action, I'm waiting for a sharp drops before I start scaling in, then I will play that bounce. This is what I do. I wait for the good. I do see this drop, but I'm not seeing that big drop. Alts are very strong as well at the same time. Alts are holding amazingly well. Luna right now green, 6% up. I'm waiting for some sharp moves. If we break this low with a sharp move, I might be interested to play the bounce, because there is a weekly demand zone right here, this one, which market bounced from before. I'm waiting if we can get there and get a small bounce. I'm not expecting right now. The market is in downtrend, and it is a very risky play. I'm really long term expecting this loss to be taken because there's so much liquidity sitting in this area, which is smart money can fill their bags, because this is the area I'm waiting for ultimately. I don't know when it's going to come there, but if it gives me a dip down there, I'll start buying for long term. This, I've been saying that for months, that I want to wait because it's stupid for me to buy at these highs. This is where I've sold myself, right up here. When I saw a daily low, high lows are broken and it gone up, showing weakness, I sold before it dropped because I was seeing strong volume rejections coming. It was because I've rode all this move. I was buying right here and I said, this is good money, let's take it, and I will wait and see, because I didn't sell all of it. I'm still holding some long term, which is very important for you to hold Bitcoin long term, because if some money fails, if in some country like Venezuela, they will get to something like that Bitcoin, because already it's initiated and you want to hold it. I'm scared to hold cash, but I want to get a good price and I want to hold it. So this is what's happening right now. I want to see a down move, hold it, and then see it could just go higher or whatever happens. So this is the plan right now. Other than that, you get an idea what's happening. You don't want to rush into these things, guys. There's nothing changed. One candle does not mean we have trend change. And I'm not saying we are going to go down for sure. No one knows. And this setup is, I didn't take it, but I've shared it. A potential move that can come, right? So much sharing right here. If you match this is this setup. I said low probability setup. I would rather trade from daily demand weekly zone, which is down here, this one or this one. I was looking to trade here because 15 minutes fake out was very nice right here, this one. So many people went short, and this was very sharp move, nice one. I just didn't take it because I was busy doing other things. I didn't want to distract myself, and you know, even if I take moves, I will play these. Whenever I see these bounces from I get out when I play this move. A quick bounces in downtrend is bad. You want to get out, because smart money use this as an exit liquidity. Do subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're not following, the links are in description. Go follow me, enter in giveaway, and I'll see you guys in next video with more information. Alright, if you need anything else, if you want to see anything else, do let me know in description. All I'm saying is have patience. When you have patience to hold from drawdowns, have patience to buy as well. Or you can do monthly buys if you are bullish long term. I hold enough long term position, which I'm not doing it. You can buy every week, doesn't matter what the price is. Buy from each dip small amounts if you're buying for long term. Alright, I'm talking about the perspective of a trader. There's no trading setup right now. It's middle of nowhere. Either I will take a trade looking at bigger picture right here, down here in this area, or I will wait. When the prices were here, I said if it breaks up, I'll look for some kind of setup to go higher. But in this case, I will wait for these lows to be taken, all these lows, and this will be my main guide. And I want to buy lows of these somewhere there. But we'll see what happens, and I'll see you guys in next video. Have a good day. Bye.